AI isn't just the future, it's the present. And some people are making more in a month using these tools than most make in a year at a 9-to-5. In today's video, I'm revealing the top AI tools that real people are using to build full-time incomes in 2025. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a new business model, you'll want to take notes. Stick around till the end where I'll show you a free combo you can start using today with zero budget. Let's dive in. We're starting with ChatGPT. People are using it to write ebooks, create YouTube channels, and build online courses. Meet James. He used ChatGPT to create a digital planner, listed it on Etsy, and made over $1,500 in his first week. Tool number 2, AI art generation with Midjourney or DALL-E. A creator named Zoe built a Redbubble store selling AI-generated tarot prints and made over $6,000 in her first quarter, all automated. Next, Descript for AI video editing. Edit video like a Word doc, and freelancers are charging $300 plus per edit. Turn one podcast into 10 TikToks and 5 Instagram Reels. Notion AI lets you build and sell templates. Template sellers on Gumroad are making $2K, $10K monthly selling AI-enhanced dashboards. Build once, sell forever. 11 Labs and Play.ht for AI voiceovers. Clone voices, create audiobooks, build faceless YouTube channels. Daily Mindset channel earns 5 figures monthly just from YouTube ads. Sora by OpenAI generates video from text. Perfect for short films, ads, and YouTube content. No actors, cameras, or editing needed. Just type a scene and watch it animate. Finally, Opus Clip turns long videos into viral short clips automatically. Freelancers charge $50, $200 per batch for this service. So there you have it, 7 AI tools building real income streams in 2025. Let me know in the comments which one you're trying first. Download my free AI tool stack guide in the description, and subscribe for weekly videos on making money with AI. Remember, it's not just about knowing the tools, it's about using them faster than anyone else.